Farming it's a tough gig. Farming it's a tough gig. Day in and day out, farmers toil under the relentless sun, battling the elements to bring food to our tables. Sunday sweat and more sweat. The physical demands are immense, and the work seems never ending. But there's one machine that makes life a whole lot easier than combine harvester. This incredible piece of machinery has transformed the agricultural landscape. This beast of a machine has revolutionized how we get food from field to table. It combines three separate harvesting operations: reaping, threshing, and winnowing into a single process. Before combines harvesting was back-breaking work. Farmers had to manually cut the crops, gather them, and then separate the grain from the chaff. Now these mechanical marvels do it all, faster and more efficiently than ever imagined. They can cover vast fields in a fraction of the time it used to take. Combines are the heavyweights of the agricultural world. Their sheer size and power are awe-inspiring, capable of handling the toughest harvesting tasks. They're the result of centuries of innovation, each generation more advanced than the last. From simple hand tools to sophisticated machines, the journey has been remarkable. From humble beginnings with horse-drawn models to today's GPS-guided behemoths, the evolution of combines, with speed and precision, is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. The evolution of combines is a testament to human ingenuity. Each new model brings improvements in efficiency, precision, and ease of use. These machines are more than just big noisy tractors. They're marvels of engineering, designed to tackle the complex tasks of harvesting. They're marvels of engineering, tackling the complex tasks of harvesting with speed and precision. Every component is meticulously designed to ensure maximum efficiency. In this essay, we'll delve into the fascinating world of combine harvesters. We'll uncover the secrets behind their design and operation. We'll explore their history, inner workings, and the impact they've had on global agriculture. So buckle up, this journey will give you a new appreciation for the food on your plate. We're going on a thrilling ride through the world of combines. Get ready to be amazed by the technology and innovation that drive modern farming. The story of the combine harvester begins in the 1830s. In the heartland of America, it was a time when farming was labor-intensive and time-consuming, with farmers relying heavily on manual labor and simple tools. Inventors hire more and Overthussy, fueled by a desire to make farming more efficient, developed the first horse-drawn combine harvesters. These early pioneers envisioned a machine that could cut, thresh, and clean grain in one go, drastically reducing the workload for farmers. These early machines were a far cry from the technological marvels we see today, but they planted the seeds for a revolution in agriculture. Despite their rudimentary design, they represented a significant leap forward in farming technology. Fast forward to the 1930s, and the arrival of the internal combustion engine changed the game. This new power source allowed combines to become more efficient and reliable, paving the way for larger-scale farming operations. Combines became motorized, bigger and more powerful. The increased power meant that these machines could handle larger fields and more challenging terrain, making them indispensable to farmers. This marked a turning point. Farmers could now harvest vast fields in a fraction of the time it took before. The efficiency gains were enormous, allowing for more productive and profitable farming. The latter half of the 20th century saw an explosion of innovation in combined technology, advances in engineering and material science, led to more durable and versatile machines. From self-propelled models to the introduction of rotary combines, each advancement brought increased efficiency and productivity. These innovations allowed farmers to harvest more crops with less effort and time. And with the dawn of the 21st century, combines entered the digital age. Modern combines are equipped with sophisticated technology that enhances their performance and ease of use. GPS guidance, yield monitoring, and precision agriculture became the norm, further cementing the combine's place as the king of the harvest. These tools allow for precise control over the harvesting process, maximizing yield and minimizing waste, ensuring that every grain counts. The beauty of a combine harvester lies in its ability to perform three crucial harvesting tasks in one smooth operation: reaping, threshing, and winnowing. This remarkable machine revolutionizes the way we harvest crops, making the process faster, more efficient and less labor-intensive. It's like a well-choreographed dance, with each step perfectly timed. The precision and coordination of the combines components ensure that each phase of the harvesting process flows seamlessly into the next. First up is reaping. The combine's header, a wide comb-like attachment at the front, cuts the grain stalks and feed them into the machine. This initial step is crucial, as it sets the stage for the subsequent processes. Then comes threshing inside the combine. A rotating drum separates the grain from the stalks. This drum, equipped with rasp bars, beats the grain out of the heads, ensuring that the valuable kernels are free from the plant material. The efficiency of this process is key to maximizing the yield and quality of the harvested grain. Finally, we have winnowing. This is where the chaff is separated from the grain. The winnowing process ensures that only the clean, usable grain is collected, while the lighter chaff is discarded. A powerful fan blows away the lighter chaff, leaving behind clean, ready-to-use grain. This step is essential for ensuring the purity and quality of the final product. The grain is then stored in a tank on the combine, while the chaff is either spread back onto the field or collected separately. This dual-purpose approach helps in maintaining soil health and reducing waste. And there you have it, 3 essential processes, all happening seamlessly inside one incredible machine. The combine harvester truly embodies the marvels of modern agricultural engineering, transforming the way we bring in the harvest. Time is money, especially in farming, and that's where combines really shine. They completely transform the agricultural landscape by dramatically increasing efficiency and productivity. Imagine trying to harvest a field of wheat by hand. It would take days, if not weeks. A combine can do the same job in a matter of hours. This increased speed allows farmers to manage larger farms with fewer laborers. It also reduces grain loss during harvest, as the combine's precision minimizes spillage. But it's not just about speed. Combines also improve the quality of the harvest. With less handling and damage to the grain, farmers get a higher yield of usable crops. In a nutshell, combines have made farming faster, more efficient, and more profitable. And that's a win-win for everyone. Green machines, the environmental perks of combines. Now, you might not think of massive machines as being particularly eco-friendly, but modern combines are surprisingly kind to the environment. How? Well, for starters, they reduce soil compaction. Fewer passes over the field mean less pressure on the soil, which is better for soil health and reduces erosion. Advanced combines also come equipped with precision technology that helps farmers optimize fertilizer and pesticide use. This means fewer chemicals are needed, leading to less pollution and a healthier ecosystem. And let's not forget about reduced fuel consumption. Modern combines are designed for fuel efficiency, meaning fewer emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. So while they might seem like gas-guzzling giants, combines are actually playing a role in creating a more sustainable future for agriculture. Tech-savvy tractors, GPS, AI, and the future of farming. Hold on to your hats, because this is where things get really futuristic. Combines are no strangers to technological advancements, and the latest innovations are taking things to a whole new level. We're talking GPS guidance, yield monitoring, and even artificial intelligence. GPS-guided combines can navigate fields with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring every inch is harvested efficiently. Yield monitors provide real-time data on crop yield and moisture content, allowing farmers to make informed decisions about harvesting and storage. And AI, well, that's where things get really interesting. Imagine combines that can adjust their harvesting settings on the fly based on real-time crop conditions, or even combines they can diagnose and potentially fix mechanical issues without human intervention. The possibilities are endless. Feeding the world. Combines global impact on food security. The world's population is growing, and that means we need to produce more food than ever before. Combines are playing a vital role in meeting this global challenge by making harvesting more efficient and productive. They're helping to ensure food security for billions of people worldwide. From the vast wheat fields of North America to the rice paddies of Asia, combines are a common sight in agricultural landscapes across the globe. they become an indispensable tool for farmers, helping them to produce the food that sustains us all. The impact of combines on global food production cannot be overstated. They've revolutionized agriculture, making it possible to feed a growing planet. The future is automated driverless combines and beyond. The future of farming is here, and it's looking increasingly automated. Driverless tractors and other autonomous farm equipment are already being tested and implemented on farms around the world, and it's only a matter of time before driverless combines become the norm. Imagine a fleet of combines working tirelessly around the clock, controlled by a central computer system. Farmers could monitor and manage the entire harvesting process remotely, freeing up their time for other tasks. But automation isn't the only exciting development on the horizon. Researchers are also exploring the use of renewable energy sources to power combines. Imagine combines running on solar power or biofuels, further reducing their environmental impact. The possibilities are truly endless. Conclusion: combines, the unsung heroes of global agriculture. The combine harvester, a marvel of engineering that has revolutionized agriculture and helped to feed the world. From their humble beginnings as horse-drawn contraptions to the high-tech automated machines of the future, combines have come a long way. They're the unsung heroes of global agriculture, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that we all have food on our tables. So next time you sit down to a meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible machine that helped to make it possible. The combine harvester, a testament to human ingenuity and a vital tool for a sustainable future.